And Chengdu is a small city of only about 15 million people. I can say only one thing. I'm old. China is the undisputed leader in the area of drone developments, and Chengdu, which is the capital city of Sichuan province where we are right now, is apparently the place where the most of that development happens. And Chengdu is a small city in China of just around 15 million people.
Small city in China of just around 15 million people.
What? Right next to it is a town of Guangzhou, where we are heading to discover some of the wonders of the Chinese drone development. So apparently we came at the right moment, because these guys here have some kind of competition, FPV racing. There is a FPV track behind us, and all these kids apparently are going to race these small drones, FPV drones. Here is the drone. You see how small it is? It's a small camera here. Watching this, watching the reflexes of these kids, I can say only one thing. I'm old. Don't you run away from me. That's how you shouldn't do it. So what we are doing now is ordering a food using a WeChat. Okay. And just half a minute ago, she ordered a food to be delivered here. So food will be brought here by one of the drones. There's our food. And this tarmac behind me is China's first runway just for drones.
A few moments later.
I think that nobody can dispute that China is a world leader in the areas of new technologies, drones, flying cars, and they also started something that we never even knew that it existed, and it is low altitude economy. Something that it is obviously going to be a big thing in years to come.